Once upon a time, in a distant universe where islands floated among stars, there existed a legendary group of Jamaican gods: Moi, Bubbles, Apple, Karen, Andrew, and Thaddy. They were celestial guardians tasked with protecting the harmony of their realm, a vibrant island-shaped planet called Jatopia. But peace was fragile. Dark forces, led by the shadowy entity called the Void, threatened to plunge Jatopia into chaos. The Void sought to drain the island of its color, music, and life, turning everything into dull, lifeless gray. Moi, the god of wisdom and storms, summoned his fellow gods. "We must act before Jatopia is lost forever," he declared, his voice echoing like thunder. Bubbles, the playful goddess of water and joy, created shimmering streams to distract the Void's minions, while Apple, the goddess of growth and nature, summoned lush forests to shield the islands. Karen, the swift god of wind and speed, raced across the skies, delivering messages and rallying the island's inhabitants. Andrew, the god of fire and passion, ignited fiery shields to defend against dark attacks. Thaddy, the mighty god of strength and courage, stood at the forefront, ready to face any threat head-on. Together, they launched a daring plan. Bubbles unleashed powerful water jets to weaken the Void's shadows, while Apple's forests grew tall and strong, blocking the darkness. Karen's winds scattered the Void's minions, and Andrew's fiery blasts pushed back the encroaching gloom. Thaddy led the charge, his strength shining like a blazing sun. In a final battle of light against darkness, the gods combined their powers. Moi summoned a mighty storm that shook the heavens, while the others united their energies into a brilliant burst of color and life. The Void shrieked and shrank away, defeated by the unity and courage of the gods. Jatopia sparkled brighter than ever, filled with joy, music, and vibrant life. The gods looked upon their beloved realm and smiled, knowing that peace had been restored through their bravery and teamwork. And so, the Jamaican gods, Moi, Bubbles, Apple, Karen, Andrew, and Thaddy, continued to watch over their island universe, always ready to defend peace and harmony, reminding all that even in darkness, unity and courage can bring back the light.